Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about the distance between two parallel lines. Now let x dash OX and y dash be the coordinate axis. Now we know that two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. We know that when lines are parallel, if their slopes are equal. Is y dash. Let ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Be two parallel lines. L1 and L2 respectively. So this is L1, this is L2. L1 is represented by ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, and this is ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Now let line L1 intersects x-axis at A. See the point A. So at point A, value of y will be 0. So if put y equal to 0 in equation 1, putting y equal to 0, equation of line L1, we get AX plus B0 plus C1 equal to 0. This implies that X will be equal to minus C1 upon A. So, coordinates of A will be minus C1 upon A and 0. Now let AD be perpendicular to line A. From A it is perpendicular. So this will denote the distance between the two parallel lines. P. So AP represents the distance between two parallel lines. Now we know that distance of point from a line is given by we know that distance of a point to a line is given by d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c here under root a square plus b square. So here x is minus c upon a. So a into minus a x is minus c upon c1 upon a y is 0 plus b is 0 and c is c2. It is c2 divided by a square plus b square. This is equal to c2 minus c1 upon under root a square plus b square. This and that d is equal to so. So this is the d, the distance between two parallel lines, is given by c2 minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. Now if you take the equation, two equations in the form of slope and point, that is y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2. In this, if you take the equation in this form, then distance will be equal to, then d will be equal to c2 minus c1 upon under root 1 plus m square. If you take the equations of two lines in this form, slope and point form, then distance between two parallel lines is given by c2 minus c1 divided by under root 1 plus m square. And this is the distance between 2 points if you take the equation in general form. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.